If you'd like to see how I created these lovely glamorous hair clips using UV resin, keep watching this video. So today in this video we are going to be using some UV resin, and I'm going to show you how to make some UV resin hair clips. So these are the molds. I can't locate the third mold. Now it came with these shapes, but there's also another oval shape, more like a ovally water drop shape, and I cannot find it, so I have to redo the video again later. So it came with the 3 molds and a bag filled with the different clamps that go with the molds. This kit I purchased on Amazon was probably about $15, but since everything is going up now, it's probably about $20. So I'll try to find a link to where I purchased these. So what I'm going to be doing is actually making some little favors for Valentine's Day bags for the girls in my daughter's class. So this is like really last minute, and I just wanted to have something cute just to go in there. So I have a few different glitters. I probably won't use colors I'll use, but I have some glitters here. I have some red, I have some pink, because it is going to be for Valentine's Day. But think about it, these could be really cute party favors for your goodie bags. I like to have great goodie bags, okay? So I have this chunky glitter, I have this regular craft glitter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I have the molds, and you will also need the UV resin. Glue sometimes in my videos. You may have noticed that this is $20, but you get 2 bottles, and it's 100 grams in this bottle. What you'll also need is one of these little UV lamps. This was about 12 bucks when I bought mine. It probably went up to about 17, but it's under $20. So you will need one of these. It cures almost instantly, and you could just cure it on both sides. But I'll go ahead and get started. Then I have this little mouthwash cup. I may pour some in here to mix in some glitter, or I may just sprinkle it while it's on here. You guys. Okay, so I'm starting off by adding some of the resin to this cup, just a small amount, and a little bit of glitter. And I'm just gonna take a plastic straw or something like that, also some confetti glitter, and just kind of stir it up to create a nice little mixture here. And the key to this with these itty bitty little molds is when you fill them up, not to overuse the resin. Sometimes you may want to have not enough. See how I'm just kind of carefully taking this little plastic knife and just feeding it around? Because if you overfill this little mold here, you won't be able to use the clamp, because it just won't work out right. So I'm just kind of feeding it in there. I even bent the cup up a little bit so it can pour better. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a series of different glitters. You see how this one is going to be a little mismatch. Just trying to add a little flair and make sure that they're all kind of different and unique in their own way. These actually look very nice with just glitter. You don't even have to go that extra step and add any gems to them. I just decided to do so because that's just what I wanted to do. I wanted to make these extra fun and chunky for the little girls. Now also, if you don't want to add any glitter, you can just go straight clear or add less glitter so they're more transparent with just a little sparkle hint of glitter. So far, I'm going to go ahead and put this under the... I allow these to cure under the lamp at least 3 minutes. I'm going to unmold. And these are just so pretty and shiny. They're not hard to unmold at all. And look at that. In just under 5 minutes, look what you can create. Just look. And I think these are so adorable. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit of the resin right across, using this as a glue. And you're going to pop it right back underneath that lamp. So I'm just going to unmold these as well. And when you're unmolding them, if they do happen to feel a little sticky or a little tacky still, all you have to do is slide them right back under that lamp. Let them cure a little bit longer. Now, right here, I'm doing just what I said I was going to do. Add a little bit of UV resin. Line it up as straight as possible, because if it's crooked, it's going to be locked in like that. So you want to make sure you have it as straight as possible before you put that lamp near your clamps. So I'm just trying to make sure it's nice and straight. And use a nice amount of resin because you want it to really adhere. You don't want these breaking easily. Look at that. It's on there very good, nice and sturdy. Just like you want it. Okay, so I'm working on my second batch. I'm going to be making about 10 of these. Or, yes, I'm going to make about 10 or maybe 11 for the girls in her class. And I'm just going and adding little random bits of glitter. This time I'm using some gold, which is very, very pretty, because I want to have a decent mix of this. And this purple is absolutely gorgeous. So you just kind of mix the glitters as you want to. Play around with it, create some designs if you want. These are actually really fun and they don't take that long at all. The UV resin cures almost instantly and it doesn't have that harsh smell like the other epoxy resin that takes 24 hours to cure, but it does have a strong smell like strong detergent. Have fun with these and just kind of go for it and see what type of designs you can create. Like I said, if you want to do them all clear, that'd be cute as well. The lamp, I'm going to go ahead and customize these with just one letter of the student's name that's in my daughter's class, because she has the name list here. Just because I have these letters here, just to make them a little custom, so she could just drop that one in their little goodie bag. Also, I may add some gems to these, I may not. But I have these cute little butterflies. I may add some of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of customize. So I decided to go with these letters, which they came from Amazon. And I think they were probably about $7.99 for A through Z. And I just put a dot here, a dot there, and then I have to hold it under for a few seconds under the lamp, let it cure and get hard, then lay it back under there so it doesn't slide off. I'm going to unmold these. Very pretty. And they're a little sticky. I'm just gonna put them back under the light, but flip them over so you can make sure that they get cured on both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to unmold these. Very pretty. And these are very simple to make. You can make these for yourself, your daughter, your granddaughter, your niece, whoever you like to. But these will make awesome goodie bag gifts for girls. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just flip these back over so I can go ahead and add on I think they call these Gorilla Clamps. So I'm going to have to order some more of these because you only get what comes in the kit. And if you want to see the shape of what the mold is I'm missing, it's the shape made like this. That's the one I don't know where I put. So I'll probably just order another one because I can't stand looking for stuff. It takes forever to find it. I'll just order another one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead again and just add a nice little amount. Again, just make sure everything lines up when you're adding on the resin to lock them on. We can. And I'm going to add the lamp. Now I'm just going to customize these with the letters. The first initial of the little girl's letters in the classroom, like I did with the first set. And then I'll show you all of them at the end. These hair clamps are very busy, a lot going on. And that's the exact look I was going for my daughter's class. I really want these to stand out. I want them to be personalized. And I think these are coming out great. And I do like how the little butterflies look on there. And I'm almost finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the hair clamps, and I think these came out absolutely amazing. My daughter loved them. She absolutely loved them. And when she took her goodie bags to school, I have a video of the goodie bags that we put these in also. When they saw their little hair clips, the little girls, they were so blown away. And I was like, did they notice that their first initial letter of their name was on them? She was like, yeah. They looked at them and they were like, why is the first letter of my name on here? And she said, because my mommy customized it that way. So they were very grateful. Very, very grateful. But I also told her if someone didn't like it, you know, not to worry about it. If someone said, hey, I don't like this color, I want that color. But she didn't have too much of that going on. Everyone was just pretty much blown away and just surprised. And I got a really nice email from her teacher saying that she really appreciated, you know, what I did for the class, and that she could tell it took a lot of hard work. But you guys, this wasn't that hard. This was fun. This was nice. You can do this. Anybody can do this. And if you're a beginner, don't worry about adding on letters and bling. Just focus on filling up those little silicone molds and not overflowing them. And I promise they'll come out really pretty. So you guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you did get some cool ideas or found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. MyRoyalRadiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtechnicaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. If you are going to subscribe to this channel, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. And I am on Instagram at LifeIsAWhole5 and TikTok as well, same name. Bye-bye.